Good day guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get foreign numbers. I'm talking about Canada, UK and other foreign numbers that you can use for opening accounts in other countries, and mostly for you guys that are taking survey. So if you are new to survey, this video is going to be a big help for you. So I'm going to be showing you about 3 free websites you can take this foreign free numbers. Yeah, so the first one on my list is receive SMS online. Now this is an app, so what you want to do is to go to your Play Store and search for receive SMS online. When you do that, you download the app and install it, and then you open up the app here. So this is how the interface look like. So you can see different countries that we have here. We have United Kingdom, Sweden, Finland, Belgium and Netherlands. So you can click on any country of your choice, and you have options to different numbers you can use for your project. Now the sweet thing about this app is that it is free. The bad thing about this app is that it is filled with so many ads. Yes, that's because it is free. That's how they make their money. Yeah. So as you can see, this number was uploaded 21 hours ago, meaning you can really use this to create different accounts. So when you click on it, you can copy the number and use the number for your surveys or any app of your choice, any platform you want to register in. Yeah. The only bad side that I think is that your OTP and any message that is sent to you to this number will be displayed for everyone to see. So it's like a kind of public library kind of stuff. So the next one on my list is quackr.io. Yeah, so that's a website. You go to your Google Chrome and type quackr.io. It's also a website that gives free UK number. And number 3 on my list is tempnumber.com. The same thing like quackr.io, it gives you free UK number. So if you are new to survey and you don't want to spend your money buying UK number, maybe because you're scared, you don't know if it will pay you eventually, these are free websites you can use. But if you are serious and you mean business, yeah, you really want to get paid UK numbers or paid foreign numbers. Now there are some apps that would give you paid numbers that is just for you. These numbers are just for you. It's not for public use. Yeah, so the numbers you pay for them and they are given to you. An example of such app is Fanitel. Yeah, so this is the one I use personally. Fanitel is the one I use, so I have it here. Let me go over to my Fanitel app. So it is called Fanitel Business. It's an app. So it's the one I use personally. What you have to do is to buy you buy credits and use the credits to buy numbers. So this is how the interface of the app looks like. Here you can see your messages from different platforms here. Here you can see your call log. As you can see, I've been having missed calls. I registered for something and they have been calling me back to back. Yeah. So this is how the interface of Fanitel look like. And for this, for any foreign number you pick, you pay $2 per month. You pay $2 per month. Now don't worry, by the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to pay once for these numbers and use them for a lifetime. So all you have to do is spend the $2 per month for the first month and use it for a lifetime. And by the way, you don't use free numbers to open PayPal accounts and the rest. Yeah, so those temporary numbers, don't use them to open PayPal. It's your shortcut to getting banned. Yeah, so if you want to open PayPal and some top service, you use a paid UK number. So we have Fanitel. The next one on my list is Vike. Yeah, so let's go. I think I also have Vike installed. So we have Vike. Okay, this is it. So you wait for it to load, and yeah, they say Vike is moving to call.com. They want to change to call.com. Yeah, no worry. So this is how the interface of Vike looks like. Yeah, this is how the interface of Vike look like. I think for Vike you pay about how much do you pay? Let's check it out. It's not showing here, but I think you pay about 1.5 dollar per month. But I would recommend you use Fanitel. Fanitel is the one I use. Now there are other paid apps or paid websites that you can use to get free UK numbers. I've made my research and gotten some some of their figures. So the first one I have here is Hushed app. Hushed app, you pay $5.99 per month. That's pretty expensive. Not everybody is going to be able to afford that. The next one is Fanitel Business, which is the one I use. You pay $2 per month for that. It is very, very reliable. You can use it to open both PayPal and any of your survey at all. And also the customer service is so fast. Yeah, you can chat them up on WhatsApp and they respond to you in minutes and attend to your needs. Yeah, I've had issues like twice using Fanitel, but their customer service is very, very fast. Also, another one is SMS PVA. It's a website, but in that case, you pay $1 per OTP. So you don't pay for the whole month, you pay per message sent to you. So you pay $1 per OTP. And the last one on my list is Numero app. Numero app, you pay $1.5 per hour. Numero is also pretty good. You can use it in place of Fanitel. It's pretty good and it's cheaper. But I think I prefer using Fanitel because so far the customer care has been awesome. Yeah. So there you have it. These are sites you can use to get UK numbers. I've given you 3 sites you can use to get free UK numbers. If you are new to this game and you don't want to get bonds, you can continue using free sites. But if you want to take the risk and be invested in it, I would recommend you go for the paid options. Yeah, you go for the paid options, and my number one recommendation is going to be Fanitel. Yeah, so you just pay $2 for it. I think $2 in Fanitel is 3,200. 3,200 for 1 month. And yes, I promise to show you how to use the app forever. So after you must have registered on Fanitel, the next thing you want to do is to register the number on WhatsApp. The same way you create your WhatsApp and just input the foreign number there. So if you check out my WhatsApp now, you see my Fanitel number. Good. So this is my WhatsApp. You see my OTP for Hey Piggy, for PayPal, and the others. It's here on WhatsApp. So I don't need to subscribe every month. So on if I'm going to PayPal, instead of going receive OTP by SMS, I'll go receive OTP by WhatsApp, and they'll send me the number, the OTP directly to my WhatsApp. Same thing with my HeyPiggy account and some other survey platforms that I use. So I collect my OTP through WhatsApp. Yeah. So that's how you do it. With that, you can use the WhatsApp. Just make sure you are not using the WhatsApp to chat. Yeah, just keep it there and use it for receiving OTP. It's not for anything. Don't send message. You only use it to receive message, because I notice when you start sending message with the WhatsApp, you get banned. WhatsApp would for some reason ban you. So you just want to use it to receive OTP. Plus WhatsApp is good now. You can have about 2 different accounts on one WhatsApp. So you can have your main number which you use to chat, and then this for receiving OTP. So I hope you got value from this. I would see you guys in my next one.